In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Hostinger website template. In order to do that, first head over to hostinger.com and create your account by clicking on the Starting Now, or log in if you already have one by clicking on this My Account option in order to successfully log in. So I have in here this help article from Hostinger themselves about changing the template. For example, choose in here the domain that you have and click on the three dots and click on Change Template. After that, you should be able to head over and then you will be redirected to the template page of Hostinger, wherein you can actually choose a lot of templates available. You can preview some of them and select templates based on your liking. Alternatively, you can also use AI to create the template for you, and from in there, you can just change it to whatever template that you wish to use for that particular domain that you have on your Hostinger right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.